about trusting God, if I don't trust God, that's an immediate block to receiving, or can you receive even if you don't have that trust yet? That they
Well,
will. That
I
He will
can't.
respond.
You can't receive anything from a human if you don't have trust of them. So I can't see how you would receive something from God if you don't trust God. But I think let's divorce, let's separate the qualities of God from our feelings about God for a moment, because that's important to do. Because a lot of the times, you hear the word God, and nowadays, like God, the word is a dirty word, isn't it? Really, it's not. And a lot of people, as soon as you start talking about God with a lot of people, they go, "Oh, you're all getting religious and on me and things like that." They don't have a scientific sort of feel about God at all. And so they sort of feel you're forcing religion down their throat if you start talking about God. So there's a lot of emotional injuries in the human population about God, one of which is a lack of trust. I agree. But if you have them, then of course it's very important, if God exists, to remove them. Because with those emotional impediments, you're not going to be able to connect to God very easily. Makes sense, Mia?